Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I haven't been on here in quite a while and I'll go through some of that in a little bit, but we are, as you can see, I have whole new hair, getting used to it, but I like it. It's a lot darker and highlighted and I'm liking it. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it parted in the middle or on the side, but we are off to the grocery store. We are trying to do very, very low carb, so we're looking at entirely changing what we eat and how we make our food and all of that. So we're going to take you along on that journey. So this is legit what I look like coming out of the grocery store after having just gotten showered and done my makeup, but my hair is dripping wet. I'm covered in sweat. I struggle with those masks so much. I wear them, but I hate them. I really feel like a huge sense of anxiety and like I'm gonna pass out. I know I'm not, but that's what it feels like, and I really struggle with it. Good morning and welcome to our grocery haul. We just came home from Fareway and this is what we picked up this week. So I'll go through everything with you. We have 2 packages of sliced green peppers, red peppers, and onions. We have some Kleenex, toilet paper, 3 of the red Powerade Zero waters, which is what I drink, 2 Diet Cokes, which is what Phil drinks, and 1 Diet Dr. Pepper because I'm trying to get off of the higher carb like latte Keurig cups. So I'm drinking regular coffee, but sometimes I just can't tolerate it. So I need a Diet Dr. Pepper to get that caffeine in. We have some chicken broth, extra virgin olive oil, Jif peanut butter, Gain laundry detergent, and this is our low carb cheat weekend, so we're not counting carbs per se, but we're taking extra care with our portions. So we have a small M&Ms, a small peanut M&Ms, and a small ice cream. We have Lowry steak and chops for marinating steaks this week. We have microwave ready bacon and some vitamins, 2 diced tomatoes, beef broth, and beef consomme. I'm making no bean chili this week, so I also have some chili seasoning. This is less than 1 carb Coffee Mate, so it's hazelnut flavor or vanilla caramel flavor, so that might make the regular coffee a little more palatable. We have crushed tomatoes for a recipe that I think Phil's going to make, but we'll see. He picked it out, so I guess I don't know who's going to make it, but it's for dinner one night this week. Salted peanuts, chicken broth, carb balanced tortillas. So these are 4 net carbs. To get your net carbs, subtract your fiber from your carb, and those are 4 carbs each, so that's replacing bread. We have some seasoning, some basil leaves, and some chopped garlic, and some ground oregano. I need a toothpaste. We have zucchini, and then here's the bulk of the money that we spent. So we have 1, 2, 3, 93% ground beef, or 4 maybe. We have USA sirloin steaks. 1, 2, 3. How many beefs do we have here? 4 beef, and I bet this is Phil's sausage. Yep, Graziano sausage. Oh, that's stew meat. You got stew meat. Did you mean to get stew meat?
Yes.
Oh, There's no Graziano sausage in here. Did you know that?
There is.
There is not. Oh, yep, there is. I'm sorry. Okay. So three ground beefs, Graziano sausage, and stew meat. And the steaks, yep, the top sirloins. And we have a big bag of mozzarella cheese, cauliflower pizza crust, and a regular pizza crust. Two smaller mozz cheese and a sharp cheese, or a sharp cheddar cheese, anyway. And then pepper jack. I like these, the pepper jack like brats for lunches. And then 2 of the breakfast sausage. And we will be making low carb meals this week and low carb lunches. And we've been doing this for about a week and it's working out pretty well. I'm really tired and fatigued today, so I don't know if that's that keto flu that everybody warns you about. We're not doing a strict keto. We're just really, really busting down on the carbs themselves and trying to reduce the sugar. So we're doing that Monday through Friday, and the weekends are our cheat days. And like I said, on our cheat days, we're just really trying to focus on portion control and not going crazy and shoving everything into our mouth because we can. But I think it'll ease some of the oh my gosh, I just need something sort of thing. So that's what we're doing. And stay tuned this week because I will be filming meals that we make. So stay tuned for that if you want to see how that goes. We are working on losing weight and getting healthy, and this is a good beginning. We've been doing this for a week and we're both down a pretty good amount of weight already. So stay tuned and let's see how far we can make this go.